Hello, novel is boring. What's up? What's happening? This I'm here at one IT hub of Bangalore around Electronic City HSR, and as promised, we're going to come with a series of live Facebook live videos talking about women, and as we're approaching Women's Day, we're going to do a lot of stuff around that, and we're going to present you a really loving couple today. I'm just entering into their house. I'll do a back ulta entry. This is where we are. See, that's their house. Amazing place. Nice, cute little cozy place. There. I'll show you guys inside. It's an awesome kitchen. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. That's the bedroom, and this apparently is their favorite favorite place with a lot of soft toys. And they have a nice view from the balcony. I'm getting this feel of Tulsi from Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahoti, when it starts, when, she goes into and shows around the house. Okay, this is another cozy place. And the house. And look who's with me. Now we get onto the living room. So presenting to you. Dun dun dun. So who's here?
Hi, this is Spurti.
This is Sindoor.
Spurti and Sindoor, and who's beside them is the weirdo.
Hey, how are you guys?
What's up? So we have this loving couple with us who've been living together for how long?
3+ years now.
3+ years. Amazing. They're like one of the most loving couple that you'll come across. I've been knowing them for the last 1 hour. I'll not lie. But then Streaker knows them for some time.
I'll tell you what, I have not shared the same cup of coffee with my wife till now, and they shared. I hope my wife doesn't see this, because if she sees, I am gone. She says, I'll have it. But amazing, and they made some great coffee, and they shared the same cup of coffee and they were having it. I think that's amazing.
So that's that's what I said. We don't see love stories like this happening, and we're really proud
Thanks.
to be with you guys now. And I mean, for me, it's like I've heard a lot about people being in love and a lot of things happening. But this is the first time I'm meeting somebody in reality. Okay, and you guys, the way you guys were there, I mean, we've been here for the last 1 hour, and the way you guys have been talking to each other, and it's
So
been
we
really.
were made completely to feel free. We almost felt we were at home. One, of course, for the lovely coffee that we got. That itself kind of floored me. And of course, by the warmth that they're sharing. It's amazing. So I will not tell you how it all happened and how it all started. And let's wait for.
So let's listen into their love story. As
Sindhu,
to
why don't you share?
how it all started. How did you all meet for the first time?
We know
How
each other.
okay? How old?
You should be asking more questions.
Sorry.
You can.
No. Okay, I'll not interrupt. I'm sorry. I'm interrupting. I shall not interrupt.
Cut. No ear questions there.
No, your questions. Okay, so I mean, what I was trying to ask was, who's the elder one amongst the two?
I am the elder one.
Okay, you're the elder one. Okay, so how old was she when you met her first time?
She was 20.
First time.
First time.
I was
She-
2 days or 3
She
days.
she was 3 days old baby.
Oh, so this love story spans from the time Spurti is 3 days old, and probably I was told. I mean, I asked Sindoor before we started the live that how old what's the age difference? So Sindhu was probably 8-9 years old when.
8 years.
8 years. I was 8 years. I was in
Wow.
the second standard when she was born.
Wow! This is amazing. I mean, I'm really enjoying this. But okay, this is the first time that we are doing an interview of this sort. Otherwise,
Yeah.
all the Facebook live that we've done, it's like Shrikar and me talking to
We
the
are the
camera.
selfish guys, so it's always us.
So it's always been me talking to the camera or Shrikar talking to the camera.
First time we are
So
actually
we are
having
also talking to this.
So yeah, so this is the first time. It's a first. So in case there are a few mistakes, guys who are watching also, please forgive
Please say
us.
No, I can see a lot of hearts coming in already.
Okay, yeah. So who's online? Let's say hi to the guys who are online. So Aarti is there, Sindhu Martin as always, Sanjay Ahuja, Divya Gowda, Sunil Nair, Payal Gupta, Vanita Nagraj, Madhu Maddy. Who else is there? Sujay, Satish, Ruth. What is it? Who else? Mehul Shah, Jayesh Pandya, Gayatri Suresh, Nazima, Mohammad Malik, Rachita, Vanita Nagraj, Dipali Shanbag, Dipti Chetan. Hello, Mitavi. Hi, Vijesh. Hello, everyone. What's up?
आज तो कोई
So they
नहीं
like,
पूछ रहा होगा ना?
so like people are saying, stay blessed, girls.
Thank you.
How are you all? Snigda's there, Mahesh is there, Sapna Krishnamurti, Asma, Sindhu Martin says this is amazing. God
Sindhu
bless
Martin
you.
stays close by somewhere. She
Okay.
stays around.
We
So-
can meet.
Uday, Shashi Kumar says hello to all you guys. And who else is there? Okay, Shruti Chandrasekhar. Dipti Chetan says she likes your hairdo.
Thank you.
So Shweta Shiv Kumar is watching, Harleen is watching, Snigdha is watching, and Dipali says you guys look really cute together. Parul is watching. Sunil Nair says stay blessed, girls.
Thank you.
Okay, so that's about
So just a quick thing about what happened. Apparently they're related.
Yes.
So they're cousins, daughter and sister. So let's not get too much into the relation, but they're related. So what I'm saying is, I want to ask you something, guys.
Yes.
So when you really decided that yes, so we're going to be getting married, we're going to be living together. Did you go and say, क्यों ना हम ये रिश्ते को रिश्तेदारी में बदल दें? Because normally it's दोस्ती को रिश्तेदारी में बदल दें. ये रिश्ते को रिश्तेदारी में बदल दें. Amazing, yeah?
अभी देखो
it's all in the family.
Yeah, it's all in the family. अगर if I was a guy, so maybe इसके पापा से अगर मैं जाकर पूछा होता तो they would have agreed. Maybe that's the stigma. कि
हाँ.
I am a girl, so they are not open to the marriage as of now.
Not yet, yeah.
Not
So
yet.
I would still say not yet.
Yes.
God bless, and I'm sure someday they will come up and accept the relationship.
We are also
Let's all
waiting
pray.
for
We are
Let's
also
all-
waiting for the same.
I'm sure it'll happen.
Her
these are-
parents, if you're watching, please do understand they still love you.
Yes, we
They
love
still
you.
love you as much as they used
Love
to do
you, Appa.
earlier. Yes.
That's
We
so
love you,
sweet.
Priya Bhavi.
Yeah.
That's so sweet. That's so sweet.
So that has not changed. What has changed is something at your end. So now you know what needs to be done.
Absolutely. So it's all about like I said, like I put up a post yesterday on Facebook also where I mentioned that we talk about a love story with a twist. So now everybody knows what the twist is, and unconditional love can happen with anyone. Okay, we all love animals. A lot of people love
Correct,
animals.
correct.
They love their dogs more than anybody around here. But here we are humans, right? It's just that the society has to evolve a little bit more than what we are today. Now the laws are favoring relationships like you guys are into, which is a good sign. And we're just hoping that the society accepts you guys. In a broader section of the society starts accepting you. So see, we guys at Normal is Boring, we are a absolutely non-judgmental group, and that's why we started our Women's Day series live with you girls.
Okay.
So that is that's one thing that we we like about being non-judgmental, and people like our group because of that.
Okay.
So tell us something really funny that could have happened to you guys. Some funny incident.
Like the first day when I was with her, I am very naughty, to be very frank. So what happened is, she said, see, I am a naughty person. I was in my previous affairs, she was not the first earlier,
okay.
but she will be the last till I die.
Wow. You're lucky, yeah.
So the thing is, I am, as I said, I am naughty. So I started kissing her. So try to be naughty. So she said Shivappa will not like it. Okay. ಶಿವಪ್ಪ ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Then I thought ಶಿವಪ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಅಂತೂ ಗಣೇಶ ತಾನೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಯಾಕೆ ಶಿವಪ್ಪ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು. So then she said ಶಿವಪ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲ ದೇವ್ರವ್ರು ಅಂತ. ದೇವ್ರು ಶಿವಪ್ಪ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪನ ಹೆಸರು ಗಣೇಶ ತಾನೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪನ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಹೆಸರು ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಶಿವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತೂ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು. So that was the first funny moment when I was naughty also.
Okay, good. So what else happens? When you guys meet people, and how do people accept? Are they forthcoming, or how's it like?
See, normally what happens is when I tell that I am into a relation with a girl, I am married to a girl, they tell ಹುಡುಗಿ ಜೊತೆ ಮದ್ವೆ ಆಗಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ. But when they see our pictures and when they meet us together, they'll tell, यार तुम तो हम normal couple से भी ज्यादा अच्छे हो.
No, why? This is normal. Yeah? Why should we should define? We should cut out of this thing saying that normal is only boy and a girl. Why? That is what the
it
society.
It is only
has
what society has told.
So
in their brain it is still there कि ಒಂದ್ ಹುಡುಗಾನೇ ಒಂದ್ ಹುಡುಗಿನ ಇಷ್ಟ ಪಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಓಕೆ ಲವ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮನ್ಸಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Totally agree. Totally. I love the spirit of the girls, the way they're approaching life, and the way they've been, with the warmth that they're living together, and the love that they're spreading is super.
So one thing that we want to kind of always ask is, when you decided to come out and accept that yes, this is what it is, were you in some kind of a denial, saying that illa, maybe this is not what I should be doing, anta? Because that will help probably somebody who's out there listening. It will help them also take certain decisions, open up. So were you in denial, or did you say no? So this is the feeling and straight away yes.
As I said earlier, I had previous many relationships. Okay. So but what happened is still I didn't find her. I didn't have a courage. Maybe even if I was a tomboy, even if I was too outspoken, I never felt ki I have to come out. Because ನೀವ್ ಯಾವತ್ ನಿಜವಾದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಆವತ್ ನೀವ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಕನ್ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ.
Correct.
So ನಂಗೆ ಇವಳನ್ನ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟೆ. I loved her from the heart, from the soul, what I feel.
Wow.
ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ಟು ಬಿ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲಿ ಫ್ರಾಂಕ್ ಇವಳೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಪುನ ಇವತ್ತವರೆಗೆ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಕೇರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಪುಸ್.
So she's already accepted. She loves you from the soul. I'm sure you love me too.
Of course.
So now I can figure out who's the more dominating among the two. It's clearly her, right?
The silent bombs are always.
I know.
ನಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಯಾರು ಡಾಮಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Okay.
Understanding ಇದೆ.
Very much understanding.
Okay.
Till date, touch wood, 4 years. ನಾವ್ ಇವತ್ತವರೆಗೂ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಜಗಳ ಕಾದಿಲ್ಲ.
Wow.
Because
see, this is what they believe in spreading. LOVE, love.
ಜಗಳ ಏನೇ ಕಾದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಗಳ ಕಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮೇ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ.
That's the as long as you keep. And the warmth and the love is there, jagla yak agate illa. So that's
because you have love, you have trust, you have understanding. So before she tells me anything, I know what she wants. So
Very
why
true.
there will be a fight?
Very true. That's the spirit.
And hey guys, so let me tell you something else over here. I want to ask her a question. So let's ask her a question. Sindhu, tell me, when you walk into the house, how does it feel? Don't you feel it's very funny that there's not a single wet towel on the bed? How do you feel walking? If there's no wet towel on the bed, that I would feel that nobody's had a bath in that house. That's what I feel.
So Shrikar is telling all this from his personal experience, huh? That so that's what from I don't know how he has a shower, but from what he said now is one thing is for sure, he's having a shower, he's just putting the towel on the bed.
And you know what? And another thing is toilet seat. It's always up.
Yes.
In this house, toilet seat is never down, guys. It's never down in this house. See, that's why I think it's so much.
I can't control my laughter here. So these are these are the few things that happen when a guy and a girl are living together, and living in together. You know,
Even
these
it
are
happened with
typical.
that
Even it happened with us also.
Okay.
Because she wants the toilet seat to be down. I want it always
Oh
to be
my
up.
God! Okay, cancel. This question is not valid.
Question is cancelled. Okay, guys. So one serious thing. What's your biggest pet peeve? So, amongst a lot of questions and stares and so many things that you would probably get, I know, as we were walking up, somebody was giving you the stare, were telling me, which is one thing that you do not want the society asking you or telling you or anything. What's one thing? Your biggest pet peeve? Two antansbeko. So, which is that?
That
one thing?
that one question that people keep asking you that you don't want to ask.
It's because normally when girls are together, they ನೀವಿಬ್ರು ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ನೀವಿಬ್ರು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತೆ we are couples.
Okay.
Many people have whenever we go to the hotel they come and ask you guys are couples because by saying you we can make out.
Body language.
Yes, we tell yes, we both are couples. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಈಗ ಕಾಫಿ ಕುಡಿಯೋರು ಕಾಫಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೀವಿಬ್ರು ಅಕ್ಕ ತಂಗಿರ ಯಾವಾಗ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ ಮದ್ವೆ ಆಗಿ ಮನ್ಸಿನ ಮದ್ವೆ ಆಗಿ 4 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ.
Very good. Excellent.
ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆನ್ ದೇರ್ ಫೇಸ್.
Perfect. So when you're right, when you're right, you don't have to fear about what others think and others do. I completely agree with you.
From me, I am married to her from the heart, from my mind, from my whole soul.
Yeah, same here.
So how's it at workplace?
It's normal because wherever we used to go, wherever like I go to my workplace, in the interview itself I tell them, I am married to a girl. If you want to take me, please take me. Or else I'm okay.
That's so courageous, right?
So have you found any discrimination
At workplace?
Not exactly.
No. So do you see that we are, as a society, we are accepting these?
Are we progressing as a society?
Yes,
we
we
are.
are.
What do you do?
I work as a manager in a company.
Wow. What about you?
I work as an executive, customer support executive.
Customer support. Wow. I mean, they're in distinguished jobs, and they go to work every day, and that was such a loving life. Loving life. Excellent. Okay, so now, guys, I see around 55-60 people watching. Do you guys have any questions for them?
Yeah. So shoot.
So
Yes, please shoot.
You guys have any questions for them? Please ask. Feel free. I will read it out to them, and they're really loving, and they'll be really happy to
Any sort of
respond. So let us see. Bring it on. So till then, let's continue with our So tell me say workplace, all of that is there. So when you live in a apartment complex, and how do neighbors react when they get to know?
Technically, we don't get time
to interact with
because
our
morning
neighbors.
9 o'clock we leave. By the night it will be 8:30, 9
So
o'clock.
Bangalore life is a blessing.
Yes.
And some questions.
So living in a building is
So hardly we get any time. to
absolutely.
interact.
So who are the questions? Yes, Sasi Kumar, they are coming for the NIB Ranglila party. Yes, somebody asked that
No,
question.
you have to.
Yes.
So that's
It's
our
next
special
2 weeks.
invitation. We are extending it to you. You can't even say it's far away. It's
Yeah.
close by. You
So it
can't say
says,
it's not a holiday. It's a Sunday.
So we have one of our very active members, Sasi Kumar, are asking, what was your toughest moment?
Toughest moment were many, Shashi, because her father had given the complaint against me regarding that I had kidnapped her, and as her father is a Purohit, so MLA had lodged the complaint and had told their Vijayanagar police to take a hard stand on me, but we didn't find it very difficult because
Our love was so strong, we fought all the problems.
and it came
Wow.
in media, it came in newspapers, public TV. Didn't actually mob our face. It was very much. It was very much visible that it was me and she. The people who know me in my person, they could make out it was me.
That was the initial stage of our relationship.
That was
when
a
we
very
came out.
initial stage of our relation. But as we had only 4 months of our relation when we came out.
Okay.
Then within the 4 months, her parents came to know, and she
Okay.
was house arrested. Her phone was taken. Everything was
Oh
done.
my God! So you girls have had like a really tough, start.
Yes.
But we are glad that it's
That's what
all
made
ended
them
well.
stronger.
You guys are together, and that's made you stronger. So now we have Dipali asking, what's your message for the people who are still in the closet? message for the people who not opened up about their relationship. Do you want to talk about your path to victory? So, your path, like how you evolved over the last 4 years that you guys have been in a relationship?
Yes.
Almost.
So 4 years of living together. For how long you been in the relationship?
4 months.
No.
No. From
From-
October 2016.
16.
Okay, so like almost 4.5
Yes.
years. Okay.
Almost 4 years.
Ah, nice. So how does it feel? I mean, so what Dipali is asking is, what is your message for people who not yet come out in the open
Right.
about the
Probably,
relationship?
probably, what's the first thing that they should do? Is there any community that they can approach? Is there any
Community-
organization that they can approach for help?
Yes, exactly. First, they should understand
First-
what is their preference, and then they can contact many of the people. There are so many ALF. We have ALF who supported us as well in the lawyer things and all. And
See, I would just tell everyone ki first
Be
make sure
strong.
what you want from yourself. First understand what is that you are feeling within. Then make sure that you have some job or something before you come out to anybody. Make your parents, your friends understand first. It is not that you just run out. We always try to make our parents understand. They didn't understand. We try to convince them. Even when they didn't understand, then we came out. For that, what we did is, I was secure at the job. So I made a house. We did our lively thing so that if she comes out of the house, what are the basic steps? The house should be set. I can't go and stay in a hotel for how long can you stay in the hotel? So you make the basic arrangement. If you want to come out, you
So
have
basically, in short, before coming out, opening up, make sure you're confident about following this path. Point number 2, रोटी कपड़ा और मकान का व्यवस्था कर लेना, उसके बाहर आना.
it is your life.
Yeah, so emotional तो ठीक है, but जरा practical भी हो.
Yeah. See, yeah. I mean, other than
It's a
being
very sensible
emotional,
thing
yeah,
to do.
absolutely. That's an awesome advice.
While it's good to think that love and
जोश में
passion,
काम obviously करो, but फिर भी थोड़ा
जोश और होश balance
दोनों
करके.
संभालना है. Because or else if you come out, if you don't find a place, कोई तुम्हें पुलिस पकड़ लिया, what you will think? पुलिस ने मारा, 2 झापड़ मारा, बस. You will tell, I will go to my parents' house. She
You
will
go to your parents' house, huh?
What is the point?
dreams get
Yeah, the dreams are shattered. That's a very valid point, and hats off to you for taking that step and making sure that she was secured before she got her out of home, and that's what true love is all about, right? So, okay, what are the next questions? Okay, Dipali asked her question, and then who's next? There's so many messages have come in. I may not be able to take all questions. So Meenakshi asked how long you guys have been in love. So it's like 4.5 years. They already mentioned. How do you overcome societal pressure? Did anyone support you guys? Okay, they mentioned that they support a lot of lawyers in the community and a few pages. They already mentioned that. I'm very happy to see you both. I know a couple like you in my workplace at the World Trade Center in New York. Sadly, there also I found people having discrimination against LGBT. I'm glad you guys have made many genuine friends in the community. Bless you.
thank you.
Mo Sasikumar says more power to you and you guys stay strong. So Shushmita Reddy says, can I really meet you? Yes, you can meet them. March 8th, Rang Leela at Gold Coins Club. Please be there. You will meet them. Okay, now Snigdha Banerjee asks, which is your happiest moment with each other?
When we are together, that is the happiest.
So you mean to say you're creating a lot of happy moments every day?
Yes. Because whenever we go to work, like first 3 days, it will be like we actually start feeling sick because we are far.
We should be far for 9 hours.
8 hours or 9 hours. So, see, in her place, she can't use the mobile.
Okay.
Because she is in the customer support. So, what we do, we keep on chatting. It's not all 8 hours is there, 8 of her work
1 or
life is
twice
there.
in a hour.
But whenever we get time, we use G-Talk. Because I just want to know if she's fine.
Fine.
What
Oh,
is.
that's so nice, huh? That's like a really caring, in regular terminology, a caring boyfriend kind of a thing. So okay, now.
So do you realize that with this statement of yours, कितने घर में आज झगड़ा हो रहा है? देखो, सीखो कुछ.
हमारे ऑफिस में भी वही झगड़ा होता है.
She talked and then she's checking every half an hour, and you have a problem. You don't even update.
You don't, the typical thing is, I've sent you a message on WhatsApp, you not replied, you not even read my message. See, the whole thing is, guys, it's a disclaimer. Don't fight. They are a very loving couple. So, it may not, you may not be able to replicate what they're doing. But, especially the girls, don't threaten your boyfriends that you're not replying to the messages.
Take inspiration. Boys,
Take inspiration.
Yeah.
Boys have to take inspiration from
Even
this.
girls have to take inspiration because it is always
Two ways.
hands.
Two ways.
It's always two
That's a
ways.
very valid point. Yeah, I'm with you on that. That even girls have to understand.
Yeah, I want to ask you another thing. So when you guys accepted that yes, this is what it is, did you at any point in time in your life think that you would be live with
Normal
two
is-
men on normal is boring Facebook page? Did you ever think that you will be live and this one? So I would have been very happy if you had said your happiest moment is when you met us and you went live
With us.
I'm disappointed.
But happiest moment is that we both are giving the interview with you guys is the happiest moment.
Thanks so much.
Because
Wow,
if
my day is
any
made.
one of us,
Stigna, that goes to you.
See, their happiest moment is that they're live on NIB.
and we too,
Two.
together.
We four.
We four.
We four. Okay, so now Sunita Prasad asks, do you think you should be mentally strong before you come out and expose yourself to the
Yes.
society?
Yes, very much. Because see, you will get a lot of questions. तुम ऐसे क्यों हो? लड़कों में ऐसा क्या है? मैंने कि लड़कियों में तुम्हें क्या मिल रहा है? Any gay couples or the lesbian couple, they will ask, तुम कैसे करते हो? What kind of a question is that? It is always.
And that is something very weird to us.
Yeah.
No, why would you want to get into your bedroom as to what you
Yes.
guys are doing? I mean,
When
that's
you-
very private, right?
Correct.
I mean, if there's a boy and girl, nobody asks, right? तुम लोग क्या करते हो bedroom में? ऐसे कोई पूछता है क्या? So when you come across a LGBT couple, you don't have any business to ask, yeah?
It's not about LGBT or any normal couples. The main thing is जब तुम्हें सच्चा प्यार होता है ना,
हाँ.
तुम्हारा सेक्स लाइफ इज जस्ट फॉर सेक्स, दैट्स इट.
हाँ.
नेम फ्रेम है वो जो टैबू है ना.
हाँ.
जब तुम रूह से प्यार करते हो, when you love from your soul, it is just a part of life. हम ओके महीने कुछ नहीं, फाइन टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, महीने कुछ नहीं. हम जब वो मेरे shoulders पे सोती है,
हाँ.
I cuddle her, that is the most satisfying thing.
Wow. That's the cutest part of the interview today. Okay, so now who else? Okay, Sunita's question we answered. Then Dipali says, such practical thinking, hats off. So now Anamika Joshi asks, okay, this happens typically in a boyfriend-girlfriend scenario. Do you feel jealous when your partner is talking with somebody else?
No,
No.
because
Okay, sorry.
I don't feel any I don't feel any jealous. Even she doesn't feel any jealous. It's because हम दोनों में trust बहुत ज़्यादा है.
Okay.
We trust each other so much. ठीक है. She doesn't go to parties. Even I don't know. After meeting her, I also do not go to the parties.
But you're coming on March 8th.
Everybody who are coming, okay.
March 8th, you're coming, okay? So, exception for us, NIB.
Sure, definitely. So I tell her कि meet your friends, go out with them. But now it has happened so when their friends go to the parties, it is known that she will not go alone. They will come. They will call me also.
Okay.
तुम भी आ जाओ.
When we are together, we'll go to the parties and
So-
even for the office parties.
So, एक के साथ एक free.
एक के साथ
एक के साथ एक free.
हमेशा हमारा combo offer ही रहता
So
है.
that is a good one. No, in fact, we have a lot of good friends like that, okay, on NIB also. So we know that, okay, you call, say, it happens with Shrikar and me only. So like, Ritesh और Shrikar को बोल दो, वो तो दोनों साथ में आने वाले हैं. So that is that's how, that's how friendship is. In our case, we're like best of friends.
Right.
And in your case, you guys are in a relationship. So, it's all how people perceive you guys.
Right.
So
See,
that's
first,
really
in
nice.
a
huh?
relationship, you have to be कभी भी in the any point, husband and wife till when they become a husband and wife, till then they are friends. But as soon as they get married, they will feel नहीं ये मेरी wife है. She has to listen to me. Even the wife will think he has to do what I tell. It is
Correct.
not like that.
हाँ.
तुम्हें जब तुम्हारे पार्टनर में तुम्हें जब फ्रेंड मिल जाएगा, you don't want actually anybody, because you can discuss any small things which it is in her age ऑफिस वर्क, ऐसा एक मोमेंट नहीं है जो शी डजंट डिस्कस टू मी. इवन इफ वी गो टू द पी, वी डिस्कस एंड गो. ಪುಟ್ಟ ನಾನು ಸುಸು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀನು ಸುಸು ಮಾಡ್ದ ಅಂತ.
Oh, that's
so basically the essence of what she's saying is, when you base any relationship on friendship, it's not
It's
going to go
easier.
at all.
Right.
It's always going to stay, because the basis of your relationship is friendship, is built on that. So that's the base, what do you say, a common denominator. So when that happens, the relationship goes down.
Right.
Awesome.
Why is that? Ki always you can share anything with your friend instead of your husband and with your partners, because you have some barrier. Nan partner ಏನು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ.
True.
Okay, now we have Neerja Kirti Nataraj Gowda asking, what is your message to the parents, and to the whole society, because we have to educate the society regarding this.
See, in the end, parents, what they want is their children, their kids have to be happy.
Awesome.
And if they feel that we are happy, even our parents have not accepted us from past 4 years, but what we do is, even if they like or they don't like, whenever we click some good moments, we send it to them. And her mother tells, don't send these messages to me. Don't show your manaki, don't send me these photos.
But later she'll tell, okay, Chanagiri.
But later when she sees us happy, where she might have somewhere in the heart, okay, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. But ಆದ್ರೆ society ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, society will talk, that's okay.
That's such a deep answer, no?
Very deep answer. So which means when she's saying, see now, despite whatever experiences they've gone through, what I hear you say is, as parents, maybe they want to accept the relationship, but they fear the society.
Correct.
What will the society think? So, parents, if you're listening to it, please don't first feel for your children and then feel for the society, because end of the day, children will always continue to love you the way they're loving. See, despite whatever has happened, they still share the photographs. I think it's an amazing gesture. Continue that. Don't stop that. Don't stop that. Let them do whatever you.
ಅವ್ರ ಕೋಪ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೀತಿ
ನೀವು
ಆಗುತ್ತೋ,
ಧರ್ಮ-
that's okay.
True.
ನಾವು ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ತೋರ್ಸೋಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಆದ್ರೂ ನಾವು ಕಳಿಸ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ.
ಅವ್ರು ಧರ್ಮ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, ನೀವು
ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ
ಧರ್ಮ
ಧರ್ಮ
ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ.
ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Perfect.
So now we have Yuvraj asking, so who's the homemaker? This is
We
a
both.
fun question. So both of them.
Chef.
Okay.
She made some great.
Oh yeah, coffee was good. No,
I am telling she made great coffee, guys. So you would know what it is.
he's the best coffee maker actually.
You
Filter
guys
coffee
should come home
especially.
sometime.
Sure, 100%.
Okay, so now who else is there? Great, very happy for both of you. Who's the
So let me
homemaker
ask,
question was
I'll
replied.
ask you a question. So Spurti, when you decided to get married, how many boys' hearts did you break?
Oh yeah, that is.
No, I have never committed to anyone.
No,
This is my
not
first
committed.
relationship.
How many people said, God, no, oh God.
No one, I
Spurti,
guess.
no.
Karinda,
You broke my heart.
No one, I guess.
Oh.
I'm sure somebody would be secretly loving you both.
I'm sure you would.
Secretly loving
I don't know about
ಇವಳು
that.
ಎಂತ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
If someone proposes me, I'll tell, go talk to my parents first. If they agree, I'll agree with that.
ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟಿಪಿಕಲ್ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣ್. ಮನೇಲೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಹಸು ತರ ಬೆಳೆಸಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಹಸು ತರ ಆ ತರ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಅವಳು.
That's nice.
ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
But Hasu ಎರಡು ಕೊಂಬಿರುತ್ತೆ. When
ಹಸು ಕೊಂಬಿರತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್
the
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು
reason why it is there is you should use it when you want.
So has she ever used her combo on you?
Not on me.
Not on
Till
you?
now, I have not got
Till
it.
not, she didn't get
No,
it.
God forbid.
No, they're so loving.
Yeah, so
I'm
you
sure
should never have
in
sex
future
with
also you
your
shouldn't
wife.
have such.
ಕಮ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ನನ್ನ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ತಂಟೆ ತಲೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವ್ಳು ಕಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋದಲ್ಲಿ.
Good.
So Shashi Kumar asks again, what is the one question that you are asked often?
ಅದೇ ಕಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್
Okay.
Sisters ನೀವು ಅಂತ ತುಂಬಾ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
unknown
unknown people. So few people now who knows about LGBT, they might ask, ನೀವಿಬ್ರು ಕಪಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋರಿಗೆ, because we come, I drop her to office, then I go to my office, I come, I go to her office, pick up her.
Wow.
Then
Every day pick up and
every day pick up and drop, done
So
by me.
now there are going to be a lot of fights, okay? Intadella ishtella love news.
Disclaimer, NIB and Weirdo absolves itself from any fight that is happening today in any household. We are not responsible.
Oh, guys, this is some insane love, okay? I mean, I've not come across something like this ever in, of whatever age that I am, 70, 80-year-old that I am. So, I really hats off these two courageous ladies
Thank you.
who taken the courage to come out in the open and who are living in together, spreading love. And anything else that you guys want to share to our group, Normal is Boring and Beardo Weirdo, in any way?
ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಯಾರನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಈಗೋ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಯಾವತ್ತು ಲೈಫಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೂ ನಾ ಯಾಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅವರೇ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಆಗಿದ್ ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಆ ಪ್ರೀತಿನ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ರಿಲೆವೆಂಟ್. ಲವ್ ಇಸ್ ನೆವರ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಮೇ ಬಿ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ whom you were with were wrong ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ.
Absolutely, that's so intense and deep. And there are a lot of people texting that you guys are setting some couple goals, not only for the couples that are there, the people who are married. Now the ladies will start questioning, you don't drop me to office, ನೀವು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಫಿ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. If my wife will watch it, she'll also say, ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪಿಕಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಆಫೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 9 kilometers ದೂರ ಇದೆ.
No, she's putting more.
So now you know who's the chef.
ತಡ್ಕ is required actually in all the relationship.
That is awesome. So, I would wholeheartedly like to thank you girls for
Taking time on a Sunday.
That is your me time.
She works all 6 days of the week. Spurti works 6 days, and Sindoor works 5.5 days. So when I asked them, they were so forthright and so forthcoming. They said, "Look, anytime you want, we can do that, but try not to have it during the work day because taking off from work is difficult." We said, "No, it's okay, big deal. We'll come any day, no problem at all." And then they were gracious enough to say, "Please come home. We would want you to meet at home." So we said, "Yeah, no problem. We just say 20 kilometers and 2.5 hours from here."
Welcome.
So so much for love.
Yes.
That's so much for love. Yeah. So
ನಾವ್ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ, ಯಾರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ some good people like you will come and they ask, please ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ. We always make up time. It's only because the society should understand what love is.
True,
it is not about the gender, it's not about the race, anything. It's about the love.
Very true, very true.
Awesome. So people asking, amongst the two, who makes better coffee? Sindoor?
I'll also do sometimes.
For me, only for me.
I'll make good ginger tea.
Yes.
Showing the society that true love has no barriers. You can love each other, and what's it that we should probably take off from any relationship, taking off ego and then
hats off to you guys.
Hats off to you guys, and amazing. Give us a big 5. Okay, great job. Okay, keep the love. God bless you girls with a lot of happiness, lot of peace. Continue this beautiful house. Okay, you feel so much of peace at this house.
Right.
Continue this and let this be your board of peace, and let you be an epitome of any kind of success that you would want to.
Thank you so much.
Right? Thanks so much.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Right, so guys, see you March 8th it is, and my two beautiful friends are going to be there on that day. Catch you all.
Thank you.
See you all, and thank you all for watching this amazing Facebook Live in the series that we're going to do over the next few weeks leading on to Women's Day. And we would wish a lot of happiness to Spurti and Sindoor in the days to come and the years to come. And I'm looking forward to seeing you all on 8th of March. And it's going to be a really rocking holy party, and I'll be Rang Leela in association with Fever 104 FM. Love you all. Bye bye. Have a nice time.